once again.
Good afternoon. This is a short, quick video. So quick video. I want to address a man named Ebuka Clement. Ebuka Chukwu Clement. I want to address him. Ebuka, if you want war, why not come for me? Ojana Atogim. If you want war, why not come for me? Is it how you just useless your life? It's like not the kiss in all this imbecile family, Potter. Are you not man enough? I used to ask you this question. Am I here? You see, there is no amount of your blackmail. All of you, there is no amount of what you guys will talk about me and my son that go nowhere. Open your mouth, my hand. Any child that is not that is not above 18 years, there is restriction in what that person is doing online. You see your life? Sharon will say, Sharon will say, I don't care for those gossip. Because you don't have proof. Give me the proof. Can we get believe? Don't tell me. Where is the proof? When you and Sharon discuss about this, when I want to talk to you, I give you the proof. If you cannot give me the proof, how you guys discuss about this? We're gonna know where. But that's what me again. Open it or the war. Ebuka come nyara. Etwis is na knows also. You understand? Imoro nwa gi na ekunite. Whatever you talk about somebody's children, that's what they will talk about your own. You know what I mean? My baby is well okay. Omofuma. There is no amount of what you guys will do online that will affect him. Also, why you is a welcome development. So stop now. Stop. Oh, come on. Stop, girl. Abi guys. Stop. Oh, be a man. Be a man. Go and look for a job. Get yourself a job. Stop. Please stop. No proof. So why? What is this? When you get me good, senior between me and Sharon. If you want me to believe what you are saying, get me a proof. No, from Sharon. Mwezi oku, John Sharon goes where no tire or onye gwade ya. That is it, my people. Anakwanu, enkebenko. So that Not make sure not scatter the gathering. I am not in a gathering for your information, but I am only saying what I am seeing. But I have told you what you are planning to do with our Igbo people. You no go work and you no go work. Bye bye.